Here's a cable that's coming from the Ruby POS register from COM5, connecting to the coupler here. It's a Cat5 coupler, and then it's connected to the cable, Ruby cable, which is going into the iLink Professional's ECR POS COM1 port. Plug that in here, power is plugged in, and then here's the camera that's coming in, where it's going into camera video in port, and then we have a cable that's going from video out port. We follow this cable through and it's hooked up to the port number 1 on this one. So let's show you how it looks on the screen.